The array tool is a great tool for creating rows and columns of the same design. Think of patches that might need to be created. It is also a great tool for creating decorative buttonholes. In this lesson, we will take a part of the design and create an array from that section of the design. In the Decorative Accents folder, select Floral 8 and click on Open. The design is grouped, so we're going to need to use the Alt key to select just part of the flower. Click away from the design to deselect, hold the Alt key down, and draw a bounding box around the flower. Select Copy, open a new design, and select Paste. To make it easier to apply the array within the hoop, right-click on the Show Hoop icon and place a dot in front of Manual under the hoop position. Make sure Show Hoop is selected and click OK. You can now move the flower to the upper left-hand corner of the hoop. Let's increase the size of the flower a bit by clicking on the control handle. Now with the flower selected, click on Array. A dialog box appears and you can adjust the number of rows and columns as desired. I'll change the rows to 6 and the columns to 3. Move your cursor until all the flowers appear within the hoop and click on the screen to activate the design. We have one more step before the design is ready to send to the machine. Notice in color film that you're going to have a lot of color changes. Select Control A and then click on Sequence by Color. In the dialog box that opens, click OK. The design now is ready to save and send to the machine.